So we're going to check something out here. Tread carefully. This is definitely a World War II bunker. Down here? Alright guys, activate night vision. So,
really that is the pit that if you go to, it's just a drop, so if you go in there, you shoot that. Really, it's just a whole thing. It's a drop. That's the good goal. That goes one of the rooms. It's still a light picture.
that looks like an old fireplace over there. That looks like probably something for weapon storage. Really heavy. Camera won't be able to record. Oh wow. So as you guys can see, this is pretty extensive. This almost looks like the Nahant bunker. So alright, well, let's try and check this little machinery in there. And we're going to try and climb this ladder here with one hand. That's not poison ivy, is it? No, it's not. That's not. It's pretty rusted over there. Yo! You on the other side here? Alright, I don't really want to go in the brush to risk ticks and stuff, but alright, there you have it, folks. A random bunker that we found.